This is our RackPack. RackPacks consist of a wooden spool suspended by two end caps, which reduce friction and allow for a smooth spinning motion. The spool assembly sits inside a durable corrugated container designed specifically by Windy City Wire. The wire inside our RackPack is called SmartWire. The outer jacket of SmartWire is coated with glide technology, a dry lubricant applied during manufacturing that reduces pulling friction by up to 70%. The handles of the RackPack are located on the upper portion of the left and right side and work in conjunction with the two end caps to support the weight of the cable. The wire is dispensed through our perfect pull tearaway, and there are 3 tearaways on every RackPack, one on the front for horizontal pulling, and one each on the top and bottom for vertical pulling. The perfect pull tearaway are not reinforced, and they should not be used as handles. The front of our RackPack contains product details as well as unique information specific to each individual order. There's a fully customizable application and device section, which allows our customers to make specific notes about the use of each item. Along with that, you'll find purchase order, job number, item code, order number, and a full description of the cable inside the box, including the weight per 1,000 feet of cable and the overall diameter. And we offer the option to customize the RackPack displaying your company logo. The RackPack also includes gauge size and conductor count identifiers. The symbol on the bottom left identifies the jacket color and gauge of the cable. This example identifies an 18-gauge cable with an orange jacket. The opposite corner indicates the conductor and pair counts. This code would identify a single pair with an overall shield. Below the conductor and pair count identifier is a QR code. Scanning this code provides product info, a link to the spec sheet, and the ability to add to your cart for quick ordering. The most important feature of the RackPack is the side hole. This allows RackPacks to be secured to each other and to our Windy City Wire transporters. RackPacks are always consistent in their height and depth. The only variable on RackPacks is the width. This is why RackPacks always align perfectly when placed side by side. SmartWire, along with all elements of the RackPack, are made in the USA.